Vegas Motor Speedway, Convoy of Hope. Behind me you see some cars rolling in. And everyone's waving, they're happy. They're filling them up. They got some really nice socks. We got personal hygiene kits. We got Shell gas cards for everybody. And everybody gets 6 bags of food per family. So absolutely incredible. Convoy of Hope's got it going on. Amazing partnership with JLF. So thank you again for everyone's support.
Did you guys like that video? Well, there's plenty more where that came from. Click the subscribe button below to see more.